Good morning, children. Today, we are going to look at your textbook, page 68 and 69. 同学们早上好，今天我们要看的是课本第68以及69页。Before we start the lesson, let's learn some vocabulary. Can you read with me? 同学们请跟着老师念。Throw rubbish in the rubbish bin. Again, throw rubbish in the rubbish bin. Mobile phone. Mobile phone. Be quiet. Be quiet. Library. Library. Museum. Museum. Swimming pool. Swimming pool. Alright. Throw rubbish in the rubbish bin. Throw 就是丢 ，rubbish 是垃圾，当然 rubbish bin 就是垃圾桶。Throw rubbish in the rubbish bin. 把垃圾扔进或者是丢进垃圾桶里。Mobile phone 手，你们知道这是什么？ Mobile phone 就是手机。Be quiet. Don't make noise. 请安静，不要吵闹。Be quiet. Library is the place where you can see a lot of books. Alright? Library 就是图书馆。Museum is a place where you put a lot of old and valuable things. Museum 就是博物馆。博物馆呢，就是你放有很多有历史价值的东西，在那里展览的，那我们叫 museum 博物馆。Swimming pool, you know what is this, right? Alright, let's look at social studies. Rules, rules, rules. What is a rule? A rule is something you need to follow. Rule 就是规则 rules, rules, rules. Can we read together? Please read after me. 同学们，请跟着老师念。Do you follow rules? There are rules wherever we go. At home, in class, and the places we visit. Here are some rules for different places. Alright, do you follow rules? 你有守规则吗？ There are rules wherever we go. 不管我们去哪里都有规则。At home, 在家里。In class, 在课室里。And the places we visit, 我们去拜访的地方。Here are some rules for different places. 这里呢就有一些不同地方的规则。Alright, now read after me, please. 同学们请跟着老师念。Have a shower before swimming. Don't run. Have a shower 就是洗澡。Before swimming 游泳之前要洗澡。Don't run or do not run 不要跑。Next, can you read after me? Don't talk. Turn off your mobile phones. Throw rubbish in the rubbish bin. Don't talk. 不要说话。Turn off your mobile phones. 把手机关掉。Throw rubbish in the rubbish bin. 把垃圾丢进垃圾桶里。Next, let's read. After me. Don't touch the paintings. Don't take photos. Don't touch, 不要碰。Paintings 就是画，不要碰那一些画。Don't take photos, 不可以拍照。Alright, next. Read quietly. Don't eat or drink. Read quietly. 安静的阅读。Don't eat or drink. 不可以吃东西或者是喝饮料。Alright, children, we have read a lot of rules here. Can you tell me, where can you see these rules? 同学们，刚刚我们已经念过了好几条的规则，那现在我们一起来看，我们可以在哪些地方找到这一些规则呢？ Have a shower before swimming. Don't run. Where can you see these rules? Yes, you can see these rules at the swimming pool. Next, don't talk. Turn off your mobile phones. Throw rubbish in the rubbish bin. Where can you see these rules? Yes, you need to follow these rules when you are in the cinema. 那当我们在 cinema 或者是戏院、电影院的时候呢，我们就需要遵守这一些规则了。Next, don't touch the paintings. Don't take photos. Where do you need to follow these rules? 那这些规则我们是在哪里遵守的呢？ In the museum. 在博物馆里。And the last one, read quietly. Don't eat or drink. You need to follow these rules when you are in the library. 当然，在图书馆我们就要遵守这两条的规则，安静的阅读，不可以吃东西或者是喝饮料。Alright, let's move on. Look at here. Be quiet. 请安静。Don't take photos. Don't is the short form for do not. Don't 就是 do not 不可以的意思。Alright, children, that's the end of our lesson. Please complete the exercises given. Thank you and bye.